I decided to stop waiting for that breather evacuation kit to come because it's going to be another week. So fuck it. I'll just put it into the intake. Got my bungs. Plenty of room for O2s. Band clamps. I didn't grind that one down. Apparently I should have. I'm going to go ahead and not worry about that. And yeah. I just went with one exhaust hanger here. It appears to be the original location, so that worked out. Got the exit. I had this tip sitting around from an exhaust I put on a 14 Silverado. Bought an exhaust for it, never used the tip, so we're gonna use it on this. Let's see what it sounds like, man. This truck hasn't been started in a while, and I'm hoping that's not gonna be a problem. And it doesn't have a choke, so hopefully this goes well. Hold on. All right, let's go. Son of a bitch. Turns out I never reconnected the battery. You need that. So we'll just, that's good enough for now. I'm gonna take it back off anyway because I think I'm gonna do the distributor next, which means that whole thing has to come out of the damn way. All right, let's try it again. She's cold, son. It's like 38 degrees outside maybe. Oh no, it's not even that warm. Somewhere in the 30s outside. Maybe 40s in here. That don't sound bad. Try for the wood. Still too cold. I don't want to run too much because I don't want to die in here. But drink it in. So, since I am going to be working in here in the cold, I had to buy some stuff. It's over here. I'm going to go through the maze. I've got too much shit. I gotta turn that other heater back on because it's cold. Got it from Myers Tire Supply. Not this. This is for that generator. Some exhaust hose with the 3 to 6 inch coupler and the old through wall cap. So I don't know when I'm gonna get that put in, but hopefully before I die from fumes, because that generator back there is fucking terrible.